Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Ford Mustang 2010 to 2014? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in a 2010 to 2014 Mustang distributes and protects electrical power to interior components like lights, dashboard controls, and infotainment systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in a 2010 Mustang protects and controls power distribution to major engine and powertrain systems like the ECU, ignition, and cooling fans. The engine compartment fuse box in 2011 and 2012, Mustangs manages and safeguards power delivery to critical systems like the engine control unit, fuel system, and cooling components. The engine compartment fuse box in 2013 and 2014, Mustangs distributes and protects power to key systems such as the PCM, fuel pump, ignition, and cooling fans.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions, blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.